Hey everyone, in this video we will learn about the box whisker plot in Python. So we will learn how to calculate or plot this box whisker plot for numerical features. So let's start. So what's a box whisker plot? A box whisker plot is basically a diagrammatic representation which shows the numerical data. So it shows us the quartile 1, median, quartile 3. So quartile 1 is the 25th percentile, quartile 3 is the 75th percentile. And then it shows us the minimum value, which is essentially quartile 1 minus 1.5 of the interquartile range. And interquartile range is the difference between Q3 and Q1. Similarly, the maximum value it plots is quartile 3 plus 1.5 of the interquartile range. And any value which is below this Q1 minus 1.5 Q interquartile range, it will show as an outlier. Similarly, for any maximum value that is outside of Q3 plus 1.5 QR will also come as a outlier, as a bubble, as you can see here. So let's start. So I've got this Jupyter notebook open here with me, and I'm basically just getting the Titanic data set, and I'll upload this file, and I'll leave a link to the data set in the video notes, so you can download the file and do the tutorial as well. So in the first step, all I'm doing is import pandas, and then I'm just reading the file using PD pandas, and I'll just do shift enter. And I just like to do a quick peek at my data set and see what it looks like. So it's got a few columns like passenger, gender, age, fare. So like I've got a few numerical features which I can see here. Age is one numerical feature, fare is another one. So I can do a box plot to see how age is spread out. And if I just select this cell and do a shift enter, and I get a box plot. So should you get an error with the box plot when you try to create that, just do an import matplotlib here, like this. Any case, let's just go. So you can see it's giving me my age, minimum value, maximum value, and it's also giving me a few outliers. Similarly, let's just do a fare box plot, and you can see that there are a lot of outliers for fare. So it just gives us a very quick peek into how our numerical features are spread out, and whether there are some values which don't look right, or if there are a lot of outliers. So in this video, we learned how to create a box whisker plot using matplotlib and pandas. Basically, we used pandas to get the data set and then just plotted stuff. I hope you find this video useful, and thanks for watching this video. Please do subscribe to my channel if you enjoy what I'm doing. Cheers, bye.